Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the G-Promise shower head. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering how this shower head works. And so after you have it installed, essentially what happens is that you have these 2 points of lever arms where you could actually adjust the shower head. And then you also have this knob here. So if it's pointed up, that means the water is going to shoot from this shower head. But if you point it down, then it's going to shoot from the detachable handle that you see right over there. And if you actually set it towards the middle, it's actually going to shoot water from both the shower head and the detachable handle. So let's actually go ahead and show you how it works. So right now you can see that's where the shower head comes out. If I turn this knob halfway and then turn it on again, you can see it comes out from both sides. And then if I turn it all the way down, you can now see that it comes from just the detachable shower head. So that's essentially how it works. And I've had no problems with this whatsoever. I really like having the detachable shower head just because it allows me to clean my shower instead of just having to only use this knob right over here. But yeah, check it out for yourselves. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.